Hi, I'm Deepak Jacob Thomas. Welcome to my channel djthomasedu-world.net. Today's session will be Accelerate 001. Here I'll be briefing on the cluster data. How can we extract a data which is in a cluster form to be used for further reference from the cluster form to a row form. Let's see in Excel how it is done. Here I have a spreadsheet. Imagine that you have a report downloaded of same format, and the objective is to get this data which is in the column format to row format. Also this data which is in the column C to be in the row format for further data referencing. How can we achieve it? It is very simple. Here I will just use the one of the basic tricks to get the output. I'll just type anything, say dj. I'll just use the reference b2. Next say that I want c. I'll write dj c2. Further dj b3 dj c3, and assuming that this location also is required, just type dj b5 dj c5. So you can give this any starting letters, any two of the starting letters. Say you can give your reference of AB or BC. Just for easiness I have just given DJ as a starting letter. I'll just move on to second row. Say that of this scattered data I need to extract the few quantities, so that I'll just type DJ again B8 C8 C9. Okay, now here I had just typed few letters. Now what I will do is, the first row which I have typed, I'll just drag it along the second row and I'll just propagate it down. Okay, now I have a set of data. Here what Excel has done is that it has identified the pattern of this cluster data, what position comes from the next start of the cluster data. Consecutively it refers to all position of 6 datas. Just select these cells, enter Ctrl and F, just type DJ and you give a replace equals and you replace all. Here what happens is that the cluster data of 1 to 6, say a report is generated. I need only a few part of the report to be in a raw format. I have used this method to extract the same. This is how we can use data which is in cluster format to be in a, say, usable format for further reference. This method is how we extract a cluster data from Excel. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Deepak Jacob Thomas.